Hey everyone, and welcome back to video 3 of the Captivate series. So I am excited to share with you once again. If you haven't watched video 1 and 2, you can just go back and watch those. They're short, they're sweet, just like I am keeping this video for you today. So what I want to talk about today is how to operate with excellence to create raving fans and repeat buyers. Because here's the deal, guys. It is a lot easier to retain clients and customers than it is to go out and get new ones. So could you imagine if instead of having to hustle and get a new client every single month or 5 new clients every single month, that you had clients that were buying every program that you put out, that were upgrading from maybe a group program to a one-on-one, who were signing on to work with you again and again. That's a lot easier, a lot less stress, a lot less money to retain that client. So we've got to really perform at our best. And one of the quotes that came up for me about a month ago, and I was just like, this is so on point. And this is why certain people in our industry are doing amazing, like killing it, blowing out of the water, and why other people aren't. And it is this quote that says, be phenomenal or be forgotten. So here's the deal. We have an incredible opportunity with this coaching industry. We have an incredible opportunity with the internet to be able to create what we desire in business and in life. Now, a lot of other people have that opportunity too, and it's becoming more and more prevalent and more aware. And so essentially, new coaches are popping up every day. New entrepreneurs, new copywriters, new web designers, people that are becoming more in tune with this concept of all of these things we have available to us. So in order to not blend in order to not be forgotten, in order to not be, the second choice for your ideal clients, you must be phenomenal. Now, not only is this going to help retain clients, but this is also going to help you get new clients. So it is, part of our process, part of personal branding to have to, toot our own horn and say, we're amazing and this is what I can do for you. But can you imagine how much more effective that is when someone else is talking about you, when someone else is saying, oh my gosh, I worked with Jen and she is amazing. Or I just got done this program with Jen and I launched my course and made $9,000 in 1 week. Or thanks to Jen and her mindset, I'm going to be hitting $1 million this year. Yeah, yes, those are all things that I have helped my clients do, right? But it sounds so much better when it's coming from them, when it's their voice and they're saying, you know what? You need to hire this person. Over this last 2 weeks, I have seen posts from other people who were talking about their coaches and saying, I'm so glad I hired this person and you need to go hire them. And guess what I did? I went right to their page. I friend requested them. I went to their Facebook page. I followed their Facebook page, I went on their website, I looked to see what services they offered, and because someone that I love and I trusted recommended that person. So not only is this concept to keep your current customers and to keep them wanting more and more, but it is also to get new customers without any extra effort, without any extra stress. Your clients and your customers that are so satisfied and they're happy because you've given them an experience and you've given them, exactly what they asked for and what they needed, are going to do the legwork for you. And it's not hard for them. It's not like we're forcing them to do it. They want to do it because they love you, they respect you, they have gotten what they needed out of you. And here's the deal. It is all about operating with excellence all the time, period, no matter what. Every piece of content you put out, excellent. Every video that you put out, you want to make it excellent. You even want to operate your daily life as if I am the best. So that's actually one of my mindset hacks. Even if somebody's feeling a little bit, a little doubty or maybe having a little bit of a lack of confidence, really you need to approach it with not the doubt, not the lack of confidence, because that's going to show and people are going to be actually repelled from that. They're going to be like, I don't know if I really want to work with this person. They don't seem very confident. But could you imagine if you woke up every day and you're like, you know what? I am the best. And the people that need me, they're going to get the very best of me. And if you can just show up and operate and give your 100% best every single day, you will start to attract people that need your message. You will start to attract clients. You will start to attract opportunities to your business and to your life. So operate with 100% excellence. And here's the deal, all right? Excellence is a given, right? It's something that we all need to do. Now, imagine if you went to, a hair salon, or you went to get your nails done, and they, your stylist like cut your hair uneven, or, you were getting your pedicure and it came out and, the very next day it was chipped. You wouldn't want to go back there, right? You would be like, I'm going to go find somebody else. So that is why operating with excellence is key, right? And the thing is that everybody's 100% is different. My 100% is different than your 100%, is different than the girl next door's 100%. So as long as you are operating from your best, that's really what I'm getting at today. Operate from your best, give your best, and you won't ever doubt it, right? Even creating content, make sure that you're giving the best. Make sure that you are just giving your all. And if you can do that, that is where the confidence is going to come in. That is where clarity is going to come in. That is where you're really going to start to attract people. So in closing, be phenomenal or be forgotten. You've got to stand out. You've got to do good by your people. You have to serve. You have to operate with integrity. You can't just go out there and think, oh, I have this opportunity available to me to start a business. I'm going to go do whatever, and I'm going to do the bare minimum. So one of the things I tell my boyfriend all the time is you don't get a gold star for that. So, and essentially that's this whole concept of being excellent and going above and beyond and doing more than what people expect from you. Because if you're just doing the bare minimum and you're doing what you're supposed to do, guess what? It's not going to get you very far. You may get a little bit, you may get a couple leads, you may get a couple clients, but it's not going to create the longevity and the sustainability that you desire in your business. So today's lesson, be phenomenal or be forgotten, operate with excellence, give your clients and your customers something that they will not forget. Give them, life-changing experience. Give them transformation. And when you can do that, that is when they will start to tell their friends about you. They'll refer their friends to you. They will give you recommendations. They will give you testimonials to put on their site. They will keep coming back for more the next time you offer something. So, this is just across the board how you're going to continue to sustain your business is by operating in excellence. So I want you to dig deep today. I want you to ask yourself, am I performing at 100%? Am I really giving it my all? Or am I sort of holding back a little bit? Maybe, the holding back isn't intentional. The holding back could just be because of doubt or fear. The holding back could be because maybe you don't think you're good enough. The holding back might be because in a multitude of reasons, but whatever it is, ask yourself, am I truly giving 100% to my audience, to whether they're paying clients or not? Am I really giving my best when I create content, or am I just doing it because I was told I had to do it? So I want you to really check in and ask yourself, am I performing at this level? And even if you are, how can I make it better? How can I make the experience better? What can I give my clients? What can I give my customers? What can I give my audience so that they want to be around me, so that they know that I have their best interest at heart? So really what this comes down to is serving, right? It's serving the people who need you and serving them in such a way that there is no other choice. You are the only choice, and people will rave and brag about you and continue to buy from you over and over and over again. So that is it for this series, my friends. If you are interested in learning how you can incorporate this in your business, I want you to check out Captivate. I've created Captivate because I've been in this industry for a long time, and there's lots of things that aren't talked about, like integrity, like attraction marketing, like mindset, and all of that stuff that you actually need to create a business that's thriving and successful. So click the button below and check out Captivate. I would love to see you in there. The results and the case studies and the testimonials from this program are just out of this world. You'll see them on the page there. I want you to join me inside Captivate so that you can once and for all create a business that you love, that feels good, that feels in flow, and where you can just stop chasing. Stop chasing. Stop going after people. Stop dragging people into work with you. And you just be. You just show up, and people will be attracted to you. Customers will be coming to you. People will be knocking down your door. They'll be sending you Facebook messages saying, I want to work with you. How do I work with you? How awesome would that be? I want you guys to imagine that. I want you to dig deep, and I want you to make sure that you are performing at your absolute best, and that you are serving the people that need to be served, and that you're getting rid of any doubt, fear, or anything else that may be stopping you from getting there. So I will see you guys later on social media, but hopefully I will see you in the Captivate course. Click the button below, check out the testimonials, check out the case studies, and join me inside so that you can captivate your audience, create raving fans, repeat buyers, and make buku bucks, right? Make tons of sales, get tons of clients. That's what this program is all about. I hope to see you on the inside. Ciao.